What exactly is the 7-day affiliate promo sprint core product? The main product itself is created as a step-by-step 7-day action plan specifically designed for affiliate marketers. This plan helps buyers in launching quick promotion campaigns that can start generating multiple clicks and commission right away, even without having to rely on large lists or complex funnels. The main objective of this 7-day affiliate promotion sprint is to focus on practical tasks each day to build up the necessary momentum. Not only does the main product come with a 7-day action plan, but it also includes a plethora of instant value-added bonuses that aid in making the promotion campaigns more effective and efficient. You can discuss these bonus extras like this. Bonus 1. Swipe and promo scripts. An extensive set of pre-written email swipes, post captions, ad scripts, and more that can provide a significant time-saving benefit. All that needs to be done by the affiliate marketer is fill in the necessary details, and the automated promotional content is generated. These templates ensure that the promotional messages are tested and refined, turning your promotional efforts into more effective campaigns. Bonus 2. Plug-and-play graphics or templates. These are delivered as done-for-you creative assets, including banners, images, and video covers, making the affiliate promos look more professional and engaging. They are designed to convert effectively because of their tested messages, making it easier for the affiliate marketer to quickly get their promotion campaigns up and running without having to rely on guesswork. Bonus 3. Traffic Strategy Cheat Sheet. A concise resource that shows the effective ways and places to get free traffic quickly. This can include YouTube strategy tips, short-form content tactics, and even organic social methods, ensuring that the affiliate marketer can effectively access a variety of sources of traffic that can help drive their promotion campaigns. Bonus 4. Quick Start Checklist / 7-Day Planner. This one-page checklist provides a step-by-step guide on each day's tasks, ensuring that the affiliate marketer is always accountable for their progress. It also aids in increasing the likelihood of the promotion campaign finishing on time and achieving the desired results. It can serve as a simple motivation and structure booster that can help drive the affiliate marketer towards fulfilling their objectives. These bonuses work to accelerate the outcomes of the promotion campaigns, allowing affiliates to implement their promotional activities immediately without building any tools or content from scratch. The main advantages of these bonuses include a reduction in the levels of overwhelm for beginners, as well as an increase in the overall success rates of the affiliate promotional campaigns. Hey everyone, ready for a mind-blowing experience? Prepare yourselves for hidden upsell offers waiting to be discovered. We're discussing templates and resource packs so accessible. They are bound to be a game changer. Wanting to skyrocket your results with advanced strategies? We've got you covered with tailor-made solutions. Seeking extra help and accountability? We have coaching and group support for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's raise the bar and seize the day. Upsell 1. Done-for-you templates / PDF packs. Imagine a treasure trove of easy-to-use promotional templates, emails, landing pages, and scripts, designed to help you crush your 7-day plan at breakneck speed. These templates are perfect for those who need quick shortcuts in copywriting. Upsell 2. Extended training. Deepen your understanding of advanced traffic strategies with this training module or bonus workshop. It offers a cheat sheet-like approach to generating endless free traffic and discovering high-paying affiliate sources. Upsell 3. Coaching or group support. In addition to this, you can enjoy personalized coaching calls or in-person group support to help you succeed in implementing the strategies. This Sunday doesn't just end with these perks. The bonus video course is a must-watch, offering clear, step-by-step instructions on how to land 10,000 a month using free traffic. To claim your bonus, screenshot your purchase and shoot me an Instagram message with your name and email. I will then send you a link to the bonus video course. Don't miss out. The launch is here, and this 7-day sprint is designed to deliver results faster than you can say. Affiliate success. Grab your Sunday, kick off the sprint, and start building your affiliate empire today.